Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use motion tracking in Filmora. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have this video added to media in Filmora. I'm going to drag and drop this video to video track 1. Play the video and show you how it looks with no effects. So as you can see, there are people walking here. And let's say if you want to use motion tracking, for example, to blur out faces, what you have to do is, I'm going to first of all move the playhead to the very start of this video. Make sure you select this video here in video track 1. Then on the right hand side under video basic, navigate here below and find motion tracking. Make sure you activate this feature. And as soon as you click activate, you'll notice that on the preview window you have this box here with a cross in the middle. So just left click on this box and you should be able to adjust the position of it. So let's say I'm gonna move this box and position where the person's face is. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be tracking in this video. Let's say like this. Okay, and next I'm gonna click to start motion tracking here. Just left click once. Now the video is being analyzed. Okay, so it says analyzing motion track. And that was a quick one because the video here is only 7 seconds. So if I replay the video, we should see this box now following this person's face. There you go. It's doing the good job. Okay, perfect. Now, if we want to add a blur effect here, what we have to do is go back here to motion tracking and under link element, expand this drop down menu. And here you can import from computer, so you can use any image or you can add a mosaic. So mosaic is basically just a blur effect here. So you can adjust the blur amount and opacity, and also you can choose different types of mosaics. So I'm gonna go with this blur one. Then if I click here on the screen, I can actually adjust the size of it. So if you only want to see this blur effect covering this person's face, you can adjust the size so it only fits the person's face like that. Okay, and now if I replay the video again, there you go. That's the effect in motion. Or, like I said, you can just go back. So I'm gonna go and delete this mosaic effect. I can just right click, delete, select this video again. So we can see that our motion tracking is still there. Go back to motion tracking link element, expand the drop down, and I'm gonna select import from computer. And now in downloads here, I have this image. So I'm just gonna open it, click on the image, resize. This much is enough. And that's it. Now if I replay, the image is covering person's face. And you can apply this effect in various different scenarios, whether you want to blur out faces, cover objects, license plates, or whatever. This effect is great. And it's easy to apply in Filmora. So I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.